The Sandiganbayan rejects the plea of Senator Jinggoy Estrada to dismiss his remaining graft charges for lack of merit. In a 22-page resolution dated October 1, the Anti-Graft Court Special Fifth Division says there was no cogent reason to reverse its earlier resolution that denied Estrada's plea for a demurrer to evidence. If it had been granted, the plea would have ultimately dismissed his remaining graft charges involving the alleged misuse of his Priority Development Assistance Fund or PDAF amounting to more than 200 million pesos. The funds were allegedly diverted to fictitious livelihood projects that were endorsed to non-government organizations allegedly owned by businesswoman Janet Lim Napoles. Napoles has had numerous convictions over the supposed misuse of the pork barrel funds. In his motion for reconsideration cited by the court, Estrada argued that there should not be any prosecution for graft since there was already a prosecution against him for plunder from the same set of facts and the same set of transactions. His motion also took note of the similarity between the two sets of indictments, wherein the prosecution in both cases supposedly presented the same set of exhibits and witness testimonies to prove the same theory, albeit to prosecute separate sets of crimes. But the court rejects his argument, saying there was nothing in the rules of court or the laws allegedly violated that there was a directive to dismiss a separate graft case on account of the charge being a predicate act in a prior case for plunder. According to the resolution, the only reason to sustain such an argument would be if it places the accused in double jeopardy, which the court says is not the case.